Hello there, my name is Squalo, and I'm bringing you this super emergency cryptocurrency update. So if you're into cryptocurrencies and you're holding money in USDT, you really want to watch this video from the beginning and until the end. And this video really is very, very important because I just took action on my portfolios and all the money that I have in stablecoins, and really want to hear this. And also, we'll talk a little bit about Bitcoin as well. So without any further ado, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And also follow me on Twitter, just a verified account. And in the description of this video, you will find a link to my free Telegram channel where I always post, usually much faster than on YouTube. So join it, it's free, and you can communicate with like-minded traders, etc. And yes, so without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Currently, and yes guys and girls, let's please get at least 2,000 likes on this video because I'm making these ASAP right now because the times are crazy and the times are dangerous, and I'm keeping you, my lovely YouTube family, updated. So please hit that like button right now, like right now. We need this support from the community so that the algorithms will put this information out there so that we will save other people from potential financial catastrophe. So like the video right now. And also make some noise down in the comments. Tell me what is going on in your personal opinion. So first things first, with Bitcoin, we saw a massive capitulation right now is happening. A lot of volume. We went down to $24,000. And I mean, it's painful to even watch this. So let's take a look at the volume right now. And the volume, I mean, it's not as huge of a volume, obviously, as with this capitulation right here, but we still are seeing quite a huge increase in volume right there. So perhaps, let me know in the comments if you think that this is the final capitulation before at least, you know, some kind of a side movish action, because I don't believe that Bitcoin can keep dropping like this. It just doesn't make any sense. So this is the current situation with Bitcoin, and if we're going to take a look at a very important Bitcoin chart, which is this one right here, then we're going to see that we are actually, let me put on the logarithmic. So we actually bounced off of this support, the blue support right here, which has been very, very important for a very, very long time in a weekly chart. And quite honestly, we're currently, the only time we went below it was right here when in the previous cycle when the Bitcoin price went down to $4,000, but it was a black swan event. Which was COVID, and currently we're having a black swan event as well, which is decoupling of UST. And now this brings us to the main topic. And if you want to be longing or shorting Bitcoin or buying it into your spot account, so you know, investing in it, then look no further than Bybit. I personally have a lot of money with Bybit. I do trust them, and they were voted as in 2021 as the most transparent crypto exchange in the world. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, you will get a $4,100 bonus on top of your initial deposit. So click the link. There's also a video instruction made by me of how to actually claim that insane bonus. And on top of it, a super exclusive bonus of Times Crawl. You'll also get a 0% maker fees for 30 days, which is amazing. And you can use it for your own trading. And I mean, because these times in the markets are amazing times to, you know, make a lot of money. So be very careful, be mindful of what you're doing. But these are the times when the incredible opportunities present themselves. Now let's move to the main topic of this video, and that is USDT actually decoupling? And that's a very good question because let's remove the volume, and we're gonna see in the weekly chart, we are seeing this move all the way down to 94 cents on a dollar. So this, guys and girls, this is very worrying. You know, it's not, you cannot say that USDT is dead. But, you know, just because as I woke up, I looked into my phone and you know, because I'm checking prices and stuff on either TradingView or on Bybit or on Binance, and I saw that there were different prices. So Bitcoin USDT actually went not as low as Bitcoin BUSD, for example. So, and I was like, what the hell is going on? So I checked the USDT USD, this chart right here, and I was seeing that it was trading at 95 cents on a dollar. And I was like, Jesus, what's going on? Is this going to be the same kind of a situation as with, let's take a look at with Terra Luna. So, and actually they were trying to make some kind of a recovery the other night, and they managed to get it up to 85%, you know, pegged to the dollar, and they're just, you know, doing something. But the Terra Luna itself, by the way, it's just, I mean, it's just dead. So I don't really think that it's even gonna do any dead cat bounce. Look, it just goes down to pretty much, well, let's go to 4-hour chart or the daily chart. I mean, this doesn't really matter. We're literally at 12 cents right now, so it's like, yeah. So let's go back to USDT and let's talk about it for a second. And what did I personally do in this current situation? It's not, you know, dramatic yet, right? But this is a worrying sign, to say the least, because this is exactly, let's go back to USD. This is exactly how it began with the UST, and it began with, let's go to the 1-hour chart, and you're gonna see right here, let's move to the side, and you're gonna see right here that it actually began in a similar fashion. So it was a small drop right here. There was some kind of hesitation in the very beginning, so it didn't drop, you know, straight down. So there was some kind of a warning sign right here when it went down to 98 cents, then it went down to 97, and then it went down 92, and etc. So, you know, in this current market situation, I'm not going to be taking any chances. So what I did was, because if we're going to take a look at USDC, USD, then you're going to see that this one is absolutely pegged to the dollar, so it's absolutely fine. Let me just go to this one right here. So you're gonna see that this one is absolutely fine. So this one is stable, but again, remember, and we're gonna talk about the reasons in just a second why that I think is the situation. BUSD, and this one is also looking absolutely fine. There was some increase in demand in it, so there was a small spike upward, but yeah, it's looking just fine. So the big question is then, why is this happening to USDT? And, you know, what can we expect right now? You know, again, I'm not going to be advocating that USDT is dead, but while there is only like literally 1 cent difference, I don't really want to be taking any risks currently. So for that reason, I just literally a few minutes ago, I've sent all my USD, because I had everything in USDT. So I, you know, one of my reserves for buying the dip, so to speak. So I actually moved my USDT into USDC and BUSD, just in case I don't want to, you know, wake up tomorrow and see USDT at trading at 70 cents on a dollar. I'm going to lose a lot of money. So for that reason, you know, I've chosen those that are actually backed 100% with the US currency. And the thing is that, so we're getting to the most important part right now. And by the way, if you want to become one of my full-time students at tomscarlo.com, 5 months long learning program, which is certified and accredited, then go to tomscarlo.com directly and use a 20 off discount code and get yourself a big discount on my certified and accredited trading learning program to become a professional trader or investor. Now, we all know that there has been a lot of controversy and a lot of questions when it comes to USDT backing of their stablecoin. And we know that, you know, BUSD is fully backed by the dollar. For example, USDC especially is all 100% backed by the dollar. But with USDT, there has been some rumors going around that they're not fully backed. So, and at this point, you know, we don't really want to see the same kind of a similar situation happen. USDT and UST are completely different. So USDT is centralized more or less, while UST was completely decentralized and used algorithmic backing, etc., which just shit to bed, right? It didn't work. But USDT is different. It's not that, you know, but at the same time, there has been some controversy about it. And for that reason, I'm not going to be taking any risks. Let me know down in the comments if this YouTube video was helpful. Please let me know your thoughts also down in the comments. And as always, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll probably come out today with another update on either USDT or on Bitcoin. Let me know if I should do that today as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong in this bloodbath. See ya.